Today we're going to show you some high quality stainless steel products from American Carcraft you can use to dress up the interior of your S197 Mustang. This is American Carcraft stainless steel cup holder cover fitting your 2010 through 2014 Mustang. This is made of American-made stainless steel with a brushed finish and installs over the factory lid over your cup holder in your center console. Installs easily using a provided adhesion promoter and double stick tape. It installs very simple. Close the door, grab a supplied adhesion promoter. Just wipe it on. Just give it a second to dry just a little bit. Okay, now we're going to remove the 3M tape's backing. And line it up with the edge. Press it down, just hold it down for a second for the tape to set up. American Carcraft stainless steel trim adds a nice custom touch to the interior, and if you do like the look, there's tons of other pieces available that really finish off the interior nicely. As far as the installation goes, this stuff is very, very simple to install. Make sure your prep is done properly, but it's a 10 to 15 minute install and you'll be back on the road in no time. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you click on the CJ button so you subscribe for future videos, and click the corner up here for more videos for your Mustang.